everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to be doing a gel polish set using my Modelones gel polish and some stickers. I've had these stickers for ages and I've not used them, so I really felt like today we're just going to do a really easy sticker nail art design, and I'm using Cocoa Black from Modelones. You can get 10% off Modelones using my code Natalie00. So I'm using Cocoa Black and I'm going to apply 2 coats of this to my nail. So I'm putting with black, I always make the black a thin coat because black is very pigmented, and if you make the coat too thick, if you put it in a lamp, the light doesn't penetrate through all of the gel and you end up with wrinkling. So 2 nice thin coats. Ta-da! So I've done that first one. I'm going to do the same on the other 3, and we are going to go back to this first nail. So I have got my stickers here. I don't know why I couldn't think of what to put on the nails, so I thought I'll just put Nat. I'm gonna it was weird because they don't go in alphabetical order, and then some you get some extra letters. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna pick off the N. Now I picked it off with my tweezers. I kind of found it easier to roll the paper. I'll show you a bit better in a minute, but I'm just going to stick the N at the top-ish. You need to make sure you've got a bit, depending on how many letters your word has got in it. Mine has got 3, so you kind of want to space it out evenly for a 3-letter word. Okay, then we're going to get the A. And I'm going to leave a little bit of a gap between them, but not too much of a gap that it doesn't look like a word, you know. Ta-da! And I love Old English letters. And then the T. Maybe I didn't show you, but yeah, I kind of curl the paper so that the edge of the sticker that I want sort of pops off. There we go. N-A-T. And they're really quite flat, which is brilliant, so you can use them on gel polish nails. You can also, with these stickers or decals, you can encapsulate them in acrylic, so you could use them in an acrylic set as well if you wanted to. I also love jewelry. I love diamonds. I love Swarovski jewelry as well, which I'd say is the high end of costume jewelry, you know, whereas diamonds is, you know, proper job stuff. But I absolutely love Swarovski. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I love anything sparkly, basically. So I thought it was only right that I take some diamonds and put some diamonds on a nail as well. And I don't normally wear black nails, or I wouldn't normally do black, but some people like to wear black nails. And I don't want to, you know, just because I don't particularly like black nails doesn't mean other people don't want to see black nails. I'm going to use the matte top coat from Modelones. I actually really like this matte top coat. Some of the other matte top coats that I have are, when you look at them in the bottle, they're cloudy, whereas this one isn't. This has got a clear consistency. I'm going to pop this in the lamp. Now, as you can see, the hollow of the stickers has gone. It looks, actually, I really like the look of it. Even though they don't look hollow anymore, I kind of really like the effect that it gives you. But what I'm going to do is, because I do want them hollow, I'm going to put a little bit of non-white top coat on my palette, and then I'm taking my Natalie, my Grit Nail Sugar detailer brush. This is a 000 fine detailer brush, and what I'm going to do is I'm just taking a little bit of the top coat and I am going to work it around. You have to do, this is a little bit fiddly. You just literally want to make sure you get the letter and not any of the black colour underneath, because you only want the letter to be holographic. You want the back to be matte. I was going to say shiny, and I was like, no, that's not right. And then I had to think about it in my head. So it's actually it's Friday the 3rd today, but I'm going to be uploading this on Friday the 10th. I think it'll be Friday the 10th. Yes, 3 + 7 is 10. That's right, yes.
I'm sorry.
Oh, that's my watch talking to me. Don't be sorry, watch. So I've covered all of them now, and I'm going to put them in the lamp to cure so that we've got nice hollow letters and a matte background. Now on this one, I'm going to take the non-white top coat, and you can't actually see what I'm doing here, but I am, actually you might be able to see it. I'm just going to paint on some sort of like curved lines, and we're going to sugar this with the most amazing silver holographic glitter from Nail Sugar. And I'm going to make some of these, I'm going to make these quite thick. I really like, at the moment, matte nails with sugared glitter on, whether it be iridescent or holographic or what. I'm kind of really liking that look at the moment. So I'm going to carry on drawing on or painting. I'm not drawing on, am I? I'm painting because I'm using a brush. Can you draw with a brush? Or do you paint with a brush? You draw with a pen, don't you? Or a pencil? I'm such a weirdo, but I don't care. Okay, so I'm just going to carry on finishing off my pattern, and then I'm not going to cure this, obviously, because I've said we're going to sugar it. Get yourself a glitter tray. Open your little container of glitter. This is called Stardust from Nail Sugar. If you want to get 10% off any Nail Sugar stuff, you can do so using my code NATMUG10. I'm just going to sprinkle this all over the nail because I can't see where I've put the top coat very well. So if in doubt, just cover the whole nail. Tap off any excess, and then I'm going to pop that in the lamp. The non-white top coat cures in 30 seconds, but when I sugar, I like to leave it in there just a little bit longer, just so that I definitely know that the light has penetrated through the glitter into that gel. And then I'm using a soft brush. You can use a hard brush, it doesn't matter, because this is going to be, that glitter is going to be cured into that top coat, so it's not going to go anywhere. But we've got this really nice sugared look here. Oh, I love it. And then I decided to do something else as well, because what I thought I would do was go around the outside of this nail and create a border. So if you see, we're going to do what we've done with the previous nail, but we're using, oh my god, I just hit my head on my ring lamp. We're basically going to sugar the border. Oh, that hurt. I don't know that it knocked any sense into me though. So you don't cure the outline, the outside. You leave that uncured again, and then we will sprinkle that gorgeous stuff. Stardust is one of those glitters that is a staple for any glitter collection. It's fine silver holographic and it's bloody beautiful. So here we go, we're going to sprinkle it around the outside. It might end up going all over the nail anyway, because it's a little bit tricky to just cover the outside. But don't worry, because we will brush it off as we did before. And it will reveal that sparkly border. Tap off your excess, bung it in the oven. Lamp. Here we are, and then I'm just going to brush that off carefully. Well, you don't have to be careful, really. Don't be vicious, but you know. There we go. And I'm going to put them on my silicone tool, and this is the finished set. It's really easy, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. Where have the nails gone? There they are. Where have they gone again? What am I doing? Don't forget you can get 10% off on Modelones using code Natalie00. You can get 10% off at Nail Sugar using my code NATMUG10, all in caps. Yeah. So that's it really. Have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you beautiful lot next week. Love you, bye!